My team and I, we get together every year and we strategically go through all the infrastructures that we need for campus. We put them together into individual projects and then we select the ones that are most pivotal to the success of Lander. We had a project that recently came up that I'd like to share with everyone. Hopefully today can be its release date. I happened to pass a student who was admiring the pool and they said, you know what we need? We need a water slide. And I thought to myself, you know what? Infrastructure be damned. That's what we're doing. Lander University is a small municipality in and of itself. The students have everything they need in the classrooms and we want to make sure that we're able to entertain them outside the classroom. Students need to let loose and unwind. For the most daring students, we're actually going to have an entry point from the roof of the building. That's about 3 or 4 stories. But for those that love Chick-fil-A and want to eat it on the run, we have an entrance that's going to be just outside the pickup center for Chick-fil-A. So students will be able to grab their little nuggies, put them in a Ziploc bag, head down the slide, and after about 600 feet of spiraling, crash into the pool. So anybody sunbathing, watch out. From Lander University, April Fools.